can't wait to go inside and learn more about Allen's organs.
Oh, Reese, what are you wearing? I think you're a little confused. We're going to visit the company makes musical organs, not organs from a hospital.
Oh, you mean Allen Organ, the leading manufacturer of musical organs?
Yep. Come on, let's go in and learn about what's so cool about manufacturing.
Welcome to Allen Organs, the family-owned company that began pioneering digital sound technology. With passion and pride leading their company, Allen Organs triumphs above the rest as a result of their quality craftsmanship, innovative manufacturing, and unmatched customer support. Allen Organs has combined 21st century technology and their unique process to be the industry leader of organs. So let's take a closer look at Allen Organs so we can hear what's so cool about manufacturing.
Now let's branch out to learn more from Eric in woodworking.
My name is Eric Weller and I am a cabinet maker at Allen Organ. The milling process of materials, we get raw wood in the door and that is then gone through and matched and machined in our wood shop into various different parts. Those parts then come over to our shop in the cabinet shop where we specifically will pick out and match parts for each organ, and those parts, once they are pulled and matched, are assembled using fine wood furniture assembly techniques.
Some assembly required. Now over to Kristen.
My name is Kristen Weimer. I am supervisor of final test and I've been here for 22 years. The organ starts off up in the cabinet shop, then it comes down to sanding, then it goes to finishing, console fitting, and then it goes to final assembly where they put the harness and all the components into the back of the organ.
Now let's go put it all together with Steve.
Steve Rao, and I'm a final tester. Audio quality is paramount. Build quality, durability, playability, that has a big impact on what I do daily here. We do like a wiring check, make sure that everything is going to where it's supposed to go. We load it up with software, make sure that it plays right, it sounds right, and it's up to the order's specs.
There's a reason that Allen Organs last a lifetime. It is all because of their hard work, innovative design, unsurpassed customer service, and dedication to quality craftsmanship. Allen Organs continues to establish themselves as the industry leader. If you want to learn more about cool manufacturing jobs, visit www.what'ssocool.org.